welcome back to my channel. This is Bai Yang from Fresno. She's one of the Miss Hmong pageant contestants. So good luck to her. Say a little bit about yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Well, congratulations and good luck to you, and I think you guys did a wonderful job. I love your dance, so I'm gonna put your dance up and you can watch yourself on my channel. Keep up the good work and continue doing, because I think Miss Pageant is also very good for the Hmong girls and Hmong ladies. You know, it's really like a leadership role. So you're really starting to be a good leader. So keep it up. I'm very proud of you guys and love seeing you guys. Bye bye.